guys, so I wanted to do a quick video on me applying nail forms for the first time. I just purchased these nail forms from iGel Beauty during their sale. I know they always have a sale, but this one was additional 10% off of the 60% off. So it was a really good deal. These ones are kind of like the Mia Secret multi-stylo forms. Alright, so I peeled my form off and I put the little sticky part on the back. I opened that part up and you pinch the tip first. Kind of like that. And then you bring it up with your nail, making sure to get under those sides of the nail that's sticking out. Make sure that line stays in the center and then secure to the nail. And you want to line up the line here with your bone line on the bottom part of your finger here. So I guess that looks about right. And then we're going to continue to line these parts up and pinch that together and pinch this together. I'm going to kind of push this up so that it fills in any gaps that there might be from under the nail. And look from the side. It looks a little bit low. And then I think I'm gonna do a nail maybe about this length, so I'm gonna go ahead and pinch to that point. All right, I went ahead and got my dab and dish and my monomer and my Young Nails clear acrylic. Whoops. Just cleaning off my brush. It has some glitter left in it from the last time I did a set. I'm draining out the liquid in my brush so it's easier to build a tip. I've watched enough Young Nails videos to know that I don't want my product to run here. Although it's still running a little bit because it's odorless monomer. Trying to walk it back. Maybe I should have added some acetone to my monomer to help it set a little faster. You know, it's supposed to be kind of like creating a tip to build off of. I've been really wanting to try forms because I know they're supposed to, make the nails stronger because of the C curve. I'm just using the lines on here as a guide. kind of want to bring it out a little bit longer. from the side, you can see that it's not very high at all. So I'm gonna let that set up a little bit, which of course takes longer with odorless. Down. Looking at it from all angles. Pretty good. Add a little bit at the tip there. Sidewalls are okay. I can actually feel the acrylic getting warm on my finger, which is weird. Getting a medium-sized bead. And I'm gonna put it right behind this one. Alright, now I'm gonna grab my cuticle bead. Cleaning up the cuticle. Oops, hit the camera. Alright. Looks pretty good from the side, just a little. We can clean that up with the e-file. I built my first nail on myself, on a real person, with a form. Now I'm gonna let it set and take off the form in a minute. Alright, I took off the form and this is what it's looking like. It doesn't look the greatest, but I believe that we could clean it up with the file. And then I'll put top coat on it, and that's it. Alright, so you know odorless is dry when you click on it with your brush and it clicks like that. So it's okay to file. my buffer and smooth out the nail. Now I'm just going to clean off my nail with this wipe and a lint-free wipe, making sure to get all the dust off the nail. Now I'm going to use my Kira Sky gel top coat. And I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. And there we have it, our first sculptured nail.